Hey pals, what up? Welcome to Snor's Kitchen. Today we're gonna cook chicken adobo plus pineapples.
What up? This is Snor's Kitchen.
Adobo is actually one of the first Filipino dishes I learned to cook when I moved here to Seattle. Although I could never make it the way my dad makes it, I learned to be content to making my own versions.
Today we're gonna add a little sweetness to our dish by adding pineapples. This dish will take an hour to prepare and an hour to cook. At snorskitchen.com, we used pork, but for the video, we will use chicken thighs and wings for about a little over half a pound each. Adjust the portions for the sauce accordingly if you wish to use more, but we only want to cook for dinner, plus use leftovers for baon for work. We will marinate the chicken for 30 minutes with a tablespoon of patis manse, or you can use regular fish sauce and squeeze a couple calamansi. For the video, we will use calamansi extract and regular patis. Sprinkle as much black pepper as you want, but 1 to 2 tablespoons should work. Sprinkle some garlic powder as well to give it a better kick. Lastly, add leftover juice from the can of pineapples. If you wish to use fresh pineapples, use about a cup of fresh pineapples for the marinade and add a tablespoon of brown sugar. Make sure to save 1 cup of cubed pineapples to add to the dish later. We will start by marinating our chicken for 30 minutes in the fridge. Prepare the ingredients for the rest of the dish. For the sauce, you will need 1/2 to 3/4 cup soy sauce. I would add more if you like it saltier. My dad taught me to use cane vinegar for this recipe. You will need 1 cup for this recipe. A not so common ingredient my dad uses is Worcestershire sauce. We will use about 2 tablespoons for this. Don't be shy with the garlic. Crush a whole bulb. You can also add a red onion, diced if you like. But for this recipe, we will just use white onions. Make sure you have crushed black peppers for later.
Once you're done preparing your ingredients, start heating up your pot.
Heat 1 to 2 tablespoons of canola or coconut oil in a pot. Add garlic once it is prepared. Add onions once the garlic has reddened. Add turmeric and let it infuse in the oil. saute the chicken with the aromatics. Once the chicken has browned, lower the heat and add the marinade. Let it sit with the chicken. Once that has settled, disrupt it by adding some vinegar. Do not mix it until the vinegar has boiled and thoroughly cooked. It will taste much more sour, like the dish paksiw, if you mix it too early. So chillax and sit down. Once the vinegar has cooked, you can add the soy sauce and Worcestershire sauce. I would start with only half a cup of soy sauce if you don't like it too salty. Season it with pepper. Add the pineapples. This is optional, but you can also add hard-boiled eggs to this dish.
Don't forget to add the bay leaves. So I guess we're gonna add another more ingredient. We're gonna add chili flakes, which we stole from Costco. Add a little bit more pepper. Mix it.
Let it boil again, then taste. If you are satisfied, let it sit for 10 minutes.
And that's how we made our chicken adobo plus pineapples. Be a pal, like this video, subscribe for more Snor.